Hey, it's Danny with your latest tech update. There are two technology platforms that are critical to many businesses, Microsoft Teams and LinkedIn. Now, for the first time, the two platforms are joining forces to make sharing updates even easier. From next month, you will be able to see your colleagues' LinkedIn profiles in your team chats. This will only be available in one-to-one chats to begin with. In time, though, it could be a great help when looking for skills for a project or just for keeping up to date with the latest news about your colleagues. You might be surprised to learn Microsoft has owned LinkedIn since 2016. It bought it for a cool £19 billion, and both platforms have seen significant growth in the last 2 years. This union was meant to be. If you'd like any help setting up teams to improve your business communication, give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.